Socializing 36. In a narration found in Jami'a number 2315, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, cursed 3 times the one who lies in order to make people laugh. Joking while sticking to the truth is not a sin, but it is difficult to do consistently. The one who jokes excessively will eventually slip up and utter words which are sinful, such as lying, backbiting, or mocking others. Therefore, it is safer to avoid joking excessively, which has been advised in a narration found in Jami'a number 1995. In addition, the one who jokes excessively, even if they manage to always speak the truth and not offend anyone, will encounter a spiritual disease which has been warned of in a narration found in Sunan Ibn Majah, number 4193, namely, a spiritually dead heart. This occurs to the person who jokes and laughs excessively, as this mentality demands they always think and discuss funny issues and avoid serious issues. The matter of preparing for death and the hereafter are serious issues, and if one avoids thinking and discussing them, they will never correctly prepare for them. This lack of preparation will cause their spiritual heart to die. In fact, the more seriously one ponders over the hereafter, the less they will laugh and joke. This is indicated in a narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 6486. Joking too often also causes others to lose respect for them. This can cause many problems, such as not being taken seriously when they command good and forbid evil, even if it is to their own children. Excessively joking often leads to enmity between people, as one can easily take things seriously. This leads to fractured and broken relationships. In fact, many people often end up physically and emotionally hurt because of jokes. The vast majority of arguments and fights amongst people in society begin as jokes. In addition, when joking, one should avoid laughing loudly or full-mouthed, as this is disliked in Islam. The Holy Prophet Muhammad's, peace and blessings be upon him, laugh was a smile, according to a narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 6092. A Muslim should avoid lying at all costs, even when joking, as this would lead to them obtaining a house in the middle of paradise. This is confirmed in a narration found in Sunan Abu Dawud, number 4800. This does not mean a Muslim should not joke at all. Joking from time to time while avoiding sins, such as lying, is acceptable, as the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, occasionally joked. This is confirmed in a narration found in Jami'a number 1990. It is joking excessively which is disliked and sinful if it is related to a sin. It is a sin to intentionally misinterpret a tradition of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, in order to fulfill one's own desires. If the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, rarely joked without committing any sins, then Muslims should do the same and not exceed the bounds in order to fulfill their own desires. In addition, there is a big difference between being cheerful with people, such as smiling, and joking excessively. Being cheerful is a blessing of Allah, the Exalted, according to a narration found in Imam Bukhari's Adab al-Mufrad, number 301. Even smiling to make others feel comfortable is recorded as an act of charity, according to a narration found in Jami'a number 1970. So one should not believe avoiding joking excessively means that people should always be in a sad and depressed mood.